Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off restricted mode on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and select the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to Settings and Privacy. And if you scroll down, you should see Content Preferences. So tap on that, and you should see Restricted Mode near the top. So if you tap on there, it'll give you the option to turn off restricted mode. So just tap on that, and you should have a passcode already set up. So obviously you'll need to remember that to turn it off. So obviously just put that in and select next, and that'll turn off restricted mode. Thanks for watching.